G'day everyone, I'm back. So, today I've got some burls to show you. I've got some marley burls and they're really, I'm not sure what they look like, but anyway, I got sent these from a guy in Sydney. I've got another one, there it is. These are marley burls. Really nice dense woods. Really, yeah. Scrap that. I'm going to turn some camphor, get rid of these mozzies. Camphor, it's a Chinese wood. Oh, smells like vicks. No, I think I'll turn this into a platter or something, and that should keep these damn mozzies off. Keep the mozzies away for the night, then I can work on other stuff. Alright, so let's get turning this. Look at that patterning. Isn't that pretty? Camphor is a unique type of wood. It's got all these really pretty lines through it. So this will probably end up being a really nice mosquito deterrent. And it'll be a nice little platter too. Oh, the smell. Be a bit closer. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, look at this. You turn enough of this, and what you do after you're done with it, put it on the garden. Camphor is not only good for getting rid of mosquitoes, it is brilliant for getting rid of any other bugs that want to come along and kill your plants. Just, yeah, this stuff stinks. My whole workshop smells like a Vicks vaper rub. Anyway, I'm going to get to sanding this thing and we'll go flip it around. So I'm going to throw this I'll throw this mag litter and we'll get to sanding. Blech. Grit. And I'm using it. this thing works really, really, really well. That's a really incredible. See, comes on and off. And look, you're sanding by hand. It's a good thing about these is they don't get clogged up. Anyway, I'm going to keep sanding. Oh my gosh, that is so smooth. Ooh. Okay. Triple E Ultra Shine and some shallow wax cream. Oh, it's cold. Why do I know that? Is because my shallow wax cream is shallow wax cheese. Yeah, it's just you know what, that's probably enough on there. Whoa! Wow, that's shiny. I'm so shiny. Alright, let's get this turned around in the chuck. And you can turn out the centre. Unlock that. Oh look, these are my new die cast stickers. And they're cool. They got my maker's mark, and these are from, not that these guys are sponsoring me, but this mob here, stickermule.com, do an excellent bunch of stickers. Like I said, not sponsored by them, but yeah, I'm just saying. Oh, and if you send me a sticker, send me a couple, one lot, I'll start decorating Mr. Lenny lathe, and the other one I'll stick up on my Maitland whiteboard somewhere. Anyway. I'll move this around so you guys can see the hollowing process. Ain't that stunning? Look at the colour. I'll take it off, bring it closer, I'll let you guys have a look. There we go. Oh, and that's coming up on the camera, but the colours are stunning on this one. Pick you guys up. A little bit of dust on there. Little dust. What are you talking about? Dust. It's man glitter. Look at that. The grain. It's stunning. Oh, really happy about this one. And not a mosquito in sight. Alright. Hi everyone, so at the end of this turn we have this very pretty little Camphor Laurel platter. I'll call it a platter, it's not really a bowl, it's platter. And not a mosquito in the workshop. It worked! So yes, this is Camphor Laurel. And what can I say about this? It's a beautiful wood to turn. It's beautiful to look at. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy that there's no mosquitoes in my workshop. And yes, nice figure there. That colour, contrast between the reds and the blue, and no blues, reds and the blacks, and this lovely white here. Yeah, there's my little bowl. Sorry, I said platter. Anyway, there we are. So, and I got to use my inertia sander. Isn't that fun? I'm stoked about this one. It's, yeah. Thing is with turning this type of wood is it does put off a extremely, well, not extremely, but it's got a really quite a pungent odour. Yeah, it smells like Vicks Vaper Rub, but like on steroids. Anyway, that's this bowl. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Or not. Whatever. Anyway, thanks guys.